Hello, Katrin here with European Papercrafts in the US. Today I have a video with beautiful winter cards for you. So let's get started. So in this video I'm going to show you die cut sheets and card making pads from Studio Light in Holland. I was so happy to make contact with them to get their beautiful artwork over here to the US. And for the first, I have these die cut sheets, and they are just a little bit different than other die cut sheets. Here we have, for example, just card toppers. So not necessarily toppers that you add and make 3D, but just toppers that you could certainly pop up, but they also make just beautiful backgrounds. And the scenes are all wintry, some Christmas. You do get some extra embellishments to pop up on top of your designs, and yes, they are all die cut, and all you have to do is push them out. And then there are the die cut sheets, the way we know them, where you have different layers that you punch out and then layer up, and these sheets have 3 embellishments, and they're all Christmassy but also wintry. So this would make a beautiful winter card. And here we have the deer, and down here also the deer, some antlers there. Yeah, very pretty. And then the last one in the series that I picked for today has the skates and the sleigh. Reminds me of my childhood. A frame, or maybe could be a birdhouse, and some luscious muffin down here, iced. So I made a few sample cards with the Winter Days sheet, and here's my first one, and you can see how simple they are and how beautiful. So it's got this beautiful design with the coffee pot there saying love. I added some glittery background paper, a border, a little wooden embellishment that you can find in my store. And this is the star that I have been using this year as a punch, and then put it through my crimper. Background paper we all have in abundance. Make these cards just come together very nicely. Now I used a brownish shimmery card blank because these are kind of nature toned colors. So that is my first card. For the second card, again I used the same card blank, and here is the second embellishment, the most wonderful time of the year. And I added a star embellishment. What do you call this? Is it jute? Can't think of the name right now, but you can see what that is. And again I added a sticker border and this stocking embellishment. So pretty. And then my last one, here is the birdhouse, from our home to yours, with the same type of embellishments. My star again, pretty background paper, and a brown card blank. So these are some nature looking cards that I thought looked so beautiful. Now let's move on to the card pads. So here are the card pads, and there are so many different varieties. I only picked a few for you. I wanted to show them all to you, but it would be just too long. So we have a smaller card pack that makes 6 complete cards, and then we have a larger one. This is A4 size, which makes 12 cards, and this is just half the size. Now they come in different designs, and what is so unique is that you don't need anything else. Each card pack has everything you need. So when you open it up, first you get a sample for the card, so you know where to start, and then you get all the embellishments that you only have to punch out. They are all die cut. Then you have the background paper and more embellishments. And you get that for 6 different cards. And look how beautiful these colors are. And the designs are just absolutely stunning. Now some of them already have foil on them. Some are flat. So here we have the winter trails. This was the snowy afternoon. The winter trails has a lot of foiling. Again, you get a sample card, and then you also get all the embellishments to make these cards, including the card backgrounds. All you really need to add is the card blank. Then we also have the traditional Christmas, and I know Christmas is coming up, but if you are like me, I make Christmas cards all year because I can never have enough. So again, with this one, same idea. You get a sample of the card, and then you get all the embellishments, and you get plenty of embellishments, way more than you would probably use on a card. So yeah, including the card blanks, and everything is already pre-cut for you. All you have to do is punch it out. Now I made 3 cards from this pack. So my first one is here with this beautiful red robin, and you can see that I only used a blank card and then added the different layers and received this beautiful kind of farmhouse style card. The next one, I used some glitter paper, so you can dress it up if you want to. You don't have to keep them as flat as they come. You can make them shiny. You can add glitter if the foiling that they come with, not all of them are foiled, but some are, if that's not enough for you. And here is my last card that I have created, and this is a 6x6 card. And you can see everything just comes together so nicely. And this certainly would make also a winter card if you just leave the ornaments out. And who wouldn't want to have this hot cocoa with marshmallows? So these are the smaller card pads, and then the bigger ones are basically the same idea, only you have more material in there. You get enough to make 12 cards, and you have the very same system with the card backgrounds. You have a card sample and all the different beautiful embellishments. And I could not find anything even similar here in any of the stores. So when I saw that at the craft fair in Europe, I made that connection because I just really love this type of way to make cards where you have everything in one pad for a very reasonable price. We got the winter feelings here. This was winter days, winter feelings. You get all kinds of wintry scenes. If you don't use the Merry Christmas sentiments, then you can make beautiful winter cards that are not necessarily just holiday cards. They can be holiday cards, but with these wintry designs in blues and browns and greens, you can also make just beautiful winter cards. The last one here is called the Snowy Afternoon. We just looked at them in a smaller card pack, but here you can just get an idea what is in it in each of these packs. Also, what is interesting, on the back you can see all the sample cards in ones and on one page, and what you can do is just cut them out and add them on tags. Don't let that page go to waste. You can make beautiful tags that will accompany your card, because it will be matching. And now to finish it off, I have 2 paper tags that will also go with the die cut sheets. And this one here is Winter Feelings. So you have extra paper, and you can see this is all in these muted nature colors. God, isn't this just gorgeous? Yeah, beautiful paper. So these are 6 by 6, and you have 36 sheets in 9 patterns. They are one-sided and pretty, almost cardstock. Yeah, they're pretty sturdy. So we have the Winter Feelings, and then also the Snowy Afternoon pad that will accompany. Look at the sweater paper with icicles. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Yeah, really, really nice winter paper for all your winter cards that you want to do. So I can also see some snowmen in front of those beautiful, beautiful papers. This is all I have for today. I hope you liked my wintry cards. If so, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment if you can. Let me know how you like these card making pads. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. And join us on Facebook under European Papercrafts Friends. We are a great Facebook group where you can just see all kinds of different cards and tags and projects. And if you join us, you upload your own, so we inspire each other. But this is it for this year, 2019. I wish you a wonderful Christmas if you celebrate Christmas. If you don't, I wish you happy holidays. Spend some valuable time with your family. And I will catch you again in 2020. So happy New Year's and happy holidays. Bye.